closing it with this metal piece. See to that doesn't come away. This is the main source for locking the head lock. So I'm putting it back. So it is locked, and we are going to screw it. So take a screw. The moon screw tunda vechirundom, moon screw. We are going to screw this. எல்லாரும் ஓரளவு டைட் பண்ணிட்டு அடுத்து மீதி டைட் பண்ணணும். ரிவர்ஸில் சுற்றணும், சுற்றிட்டு தான் அதுக்கு பிறகு தான் பவரில் ரிவர்ஸ் சுற்றணும்னு அது கரெக்டாக லாக் ஆகிடும். அதுக்கு பிறகு பவரில் சுற்றும். As you know, people are inside the house due to the biggest scary thing of coronavirus. We are making those time a little purposeful at home. So this is all we need. Tight correct இருக்கா? Now we can see the demo. We can see how this both thread moves. Earlier this wouldn't move the same way. It would get stuck in the mid. So now both are moving well. You can see this both red pieces moving better. You can see both red moving well. Now it is functioning, so we will have to fit it first. Lock now. We'll see whether I'm going to release the lock now. We are going to see whether it is able to open the fuel cap here. It is able to open. I'm closing it again. It is able to open now.